how to fix CapCut lag on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix CapCut lag on Android phone. First open settings and then scroll down until you find here apps and then apps again, and here just type CapCut and then click on it. And first thing I'm gonna do here is click force stop and then go to storage, clear cache, and that's it. Now just close all the apps in the background and then restart your phone and try again, and your problem must be fixed. And if that doesn't fix your problem, it means that you need to clean some space. Then go to storage, clean up, and that's it. Now just clean anything you want here, just click on it and it will be cleaned. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and see you in the next video.